Start streaming. All right, we live. Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. Going live for the first time, I guess the second time because I shut off the computer by accident. I'm your host Eric. We are with Holy Strambole and
Yo.
Lalo.
Oh no, man.
I know. So I want to go over the Fear and Greed Index. Okay, yeah, it's up there. You guys have it. We're getting greedy, you guys. We're at 58. We're getting greedy. So we might see a pullback because we're getting a little overheated. And then we got the Bitcoin halving. Y'all got 416 days left to invest in Bitcoin before the Bitcoin halving. Then after that, we should see a couple months after that. We should see a very volatile explosion in Bitcoin to the upside. So 416 days, a year and a couple months. So. Alright, so here's a little bit of TA. This is what I'm predicting. So we broke this triangle.
For Bitcoin, right?
Yes, for Bitcoin. We broke this yellow triangle. And we're going up. And then we got this green line right here, which it looks like we couldn't break it. So looks like we're going down. So I also noticed that we're like in this upward channel. You see, it's kind of like bouncing within this channel. So if we break below this channel, which is, it's going to be, if we go under 22,725 approximately, we could go back down and retrace either, let me see, like go back to retest the triangle at 17K. But then we got a couple levels that we could look at. Hold on, let me put this up. Okay, so we could go back to 19K and then go back up again. But I personally think we might have reached the bottom. I think 15K might have been the lowest we'll ever see Bitcoin.
Again?
But it's not for sure yet. Like we barely reached the peak, and then we're gonna come back down and retest whichever these levels are, which is either 21,000. We could retest that. We could retest 19K, and we could retest 19K. But as long as we're above this triangle and we're just retesting, and we don't go below this triangle, I think 15K might have been the bottom for Bitcoin, and we might not see it below those prices ever again. So we'll see. It depends what happens with the economy and all these world. Like we go to war and some other dumb stuff that happens. There's a possibility that we could tank further and go to like 12K or go to 9,000. It is a possibility, right? But we'll see. But we're still kind of at a downward trend. So until we pass, I guess 28,000. Until we pass that, we're still kind of considered at the bear market. And here's another one for you guys to look at. It's the 4 EMA. I don't know if it's like a lot of lines for you guys or not.
I mean, a little bit.
So pretty much.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's pretty much you gotta pay attention to. Let me. How do I open up a new one? Let me go to a different. What's this one? Let me clear it up. Remove drawings. Ahí está. Better? Okay.
Yeah.
So these lines, the green one is the average price within 50 days.
Okay.
And then the yellow one is the average days of 100. So in the past 100 days, this is the average price movement, right? And the orange one is the average for. Hold on, I forgot how I had this set up. I know one is 50, one is okay. The green one is 20, the 20-day moving average, and then the yellow one is 50. The orange one is 100. and the red one is 200. So usually when the 100, no, the 50, the yellow one, when the 50 crosses the red one, it's called the golden cross. And that's usually a good indication that the bear market has stopped and we're going into a bull market. So notice that we're not there yet, right? But we're getting awfully close to the end of the bear market. We're getting awfully close. Y'all got any questions? Am I confusing y'all? Or y'all good? Y'all good?
No, I mean
We
it's just
good?
that the lines are for every other day, the 20 days and then 200 days, and
Yeah, so it's just the average of how the price action it is, like the past,
the
either
price
the past,
fluctuation of
like the past 20 days, the past 50 days, the past 100 days, and the past 200 days. So once the average of the 50-day crosses the 200 one, it's usually a good indication or a decent indication that the bear market has ended and we're gonna start seeing good price movement towards the upside. So until
so
those
like
things,
these two.
huh?
Sorry to cut you off. These two lines that you have with whited out, those have to intersect.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, and that's it's called the golden cross,
Hmm.
and then that's an indication that we're
More
gonna
than likely, we're
start.
gonna start having
Yeah,
higher prices for shit. Okay.
yeah, but until we see like either the prices have to stay like right here and just keep moving sideways or up, and we'll probably see them cross. Some other indicators that I have. Go back to my trading one. I know it's a mess, you guys.
You good?
Yeah, it's just we don't understand it as well as you do.
So we got this one.
Mm.
So usually when it comes back, when it goes up to this green line, it usually comes crashing down, right? If you notice, we're like really high up and it's like right here, we're starting to get red. You see that?
Yeah.
So if we compare it like right here, when it turned red, it crashed down here. When it turned red here, it crashed down here. You see that? Does does it make sense? So like right now it's getting red and
It's gonna
we're
crash.
starting to crash. But we're still in this channel, so we need a crash below this channel to see this big red like that, so we come back down. Which
Mm.
it kind of goes with this one. We're like greedy right now, so we might see a pullback.
It's crazy how last time it was just like getting deep into the red.
Yeah,
It was really like running into that red, and now it's like making its way to the green.
Yeah, dude, almost half. Was it? Look, it says last month 26,
yeah,
and then 55, 58, 60. Bro, it's almost triple.
yeah. It's nuts, dude. It's crazy how fast crypto can recover, dude. It's nuts. Like if you guys don't invest, it's you will miss out. But like right now, it's not. I wouldn't say put money in it right now because we're like really greedy and it looks like we're gonna pull back. So like what I would recommend is like probably buying at 21K. Like 21K would be a decent place to buy, or like yeah like 21K, and then if we drop below that, maybe like 19, 18, and then right here is a really good opportunity at 16K. It's a good opportunity. Like anything below 20K is like an amazing buy. Anything below 20 is an amazing buy if we get that low again. Right? Nothing's for sure. We're just going based off of history. Nothing is guaranteed. But yeah. Oh, there's another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let me look it up. It's Bitcoin ATMs. Miguel, have you
Mm.
seen any Bitcoin ATMs where you're at?
I have, and I almost got one, stuck my card in there, but I feel like it was gonna give my bank account an STD, so it looked that shady.
Nah, you should try it out, dude. You should try it out.
Where was it? Where was it at? Is it a grocery store? Were they Where was
It
your
was at a
store?
liquor store.
A liquor store. Okay.
Yeah, I was like, man, you get a 40, some nuts, and your identity stolen? Man.
Get some 40s, some
Was it
snacks, and
was it asking you for identification or no?
No.
No.
But, I'm trying to hold on to what I got, against my bank account, wipe it clean.
Yeah. Yeah. So here are some Bitcoin ATMs. You guys down to go like a third on a Bitcoin ATM? They're pretty pricey, dude. This one's like $4,500 for this machine.
Mm.
How does it work?
Oh, my bad. I'm not even showing it on the thing.
I see it in the.
Yeah, but
Oh, not
I wasn't showing it
on the
on
stream.
the
It's not
stream.
showing. There
Yeah,
we go.
I
Now
just
it's
I
showing.
just showed it right now. My bad, you guys. Yeah, like we could buy this ATM and we could either like rent out a location like at a currency exchange, at a liquor store, a gas station.
Oh, look, and it even sells Litecoin.
Yeah,
What
it's
is it? Litecoin, ETH, and I don't know what the BCH is.
Bitcoin Cash, which is garbage.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin Cash is garbage. I do not recommend that coin.
Okay.
It's garbage.
Figures. Price 4,500. Free shipping to North America. Okay. So which one did you see, Miguel? Did you see any of the ones that
Which one?
here? Did you see? Yeah, the one you saw in the.
Not those. No, I'm getting more concerned now because no, it didn't look like that. It looked like a regular ass ATM.
Yeah, that's not a good thing. I mean, are these like the official stuff, Eric? Like this is legit stuff?
I don't know. This is just like a random Google search. I haven't really done much research, so I
Mhm.
wouldn't recommend. Just I saw it on YouTube by these guys. I'ma buy a Bitcoin ATM or I'ma
Yeah.
buy stuff from here. It's just a simple Google search that I did.
Yeah, so do your research before purchasing
Yeah,
if you are
Absolutely.
interested in this. Yeah.
yeah. But I'm really interested in buying a Bitcoin ATM, dude. And I actually want to put it in the one in Lawrence, the currency exchange in Lawrence. I actually want to put it there. Because they have a lot of traffic right there. The train station is right there.
Or college campus.
College campus. I don't know about a college campus because like those guys. Well, I think they
I
do
mean,
have a lot of traffic, but they don't have money. They broke.
I was gonna say you can have
That's
like
true.
if you do open a lavanderia or a washing place,
I could put it there too.
you put it there and
Yeah, that's
make
money.
like a crypto lavanderia.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool.
What?
That'd be pretty cool if I could like accept crypto on like a washer and dryer. I could probably
Well, I
start
guess
something.
you could do like both. Like you gotta put money to buy or make make a coin de lavanderias. So you can something. Sounds like a good idea. I'm not gonna say anything more because then they're gonna steal that idea.
Somebody gonna make money off of it.
Damn. But yeah, dude. Yeah, there really isn't a lot of good news out there, dude.
So it's the
Let's check out our profile, see how they're doing. So we should, since we missed 2 recordings. That was what
140.
140. So right
It's
now we
140.
have
Oh, plus this
210.
one?
Yeah, plus this one is 210 that we could put in our portfolio.
Yeah, 210.
Alright.
Dang.
Alright, so let's see how y'all doing. Miguel is at
Look at
269 with 38 cents.
Golly, Bitcoin just took a shit. My mic is
$5.
up.
Minus $5.
And Lalo, oh shit, Lalo's in the lead.
Ah, 1 cent.
I'm at damn 244 is where I'm at.
The fuck crashed?
Nothing. Remember, I sold my Bitcoin for stable coin,
USD?
and then like it exploded up.
Mm.
I sold too early. That's what happened. I sold too early. Like I missed out on $30. And let's see how G Lalo's doing. He's at 161.
Oh, no, shit, look positive.
261.
So let me add a coin on him since he's gonna miss out. USC. I'm gonna give him 210 coins. Oh.
Oh, right. Those are at $1 a
Yeah.
piece.
But the thing is being dumb again.
I thought we were writing them down.
Yeah, I guess we'll write it down. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. All right, what y'all want? What y'all want?
I'm on Bitcoin and damn, I was gonna say Doge right now. I just saw Doge right there. Nah, just give me Bitcoin.
All 210 on Bitcoin?
Bitcoin. Oh no, you know what? Do yeah, 200 on Bitcoin and then 10 Cardano.
Okay. And then
Cardano, yeah.
what about you, Miguel?
Give me 50 on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Um, give me 50 on Cum Rocket.
Yeah. Amis.
I can never get over that game, that fucking name. Dude.
Give me 100 on ETH.
100 on ETH.
100 on each. Wow.
And then 10 on Polkadot.
Okay.
Polkadot. Let's go.
I am gonna do all stable coins
Yeah, of course.
because I'm waiting for that pullback, and
Plunge.
I'm hoping I will get Bitcoin at a cheaper thing. But like you said, it's never a good idea to time the market. They say time in the market is better than timing the market. And as you can see here, I tried to time the market, and I'm like $30 loss for
We got
timing the
cooked.
market. So I got cooked. So
Yeah.
so it's better to have time in the market than timing the market. So a lesson for y'all.
Solid advice.
So, that's all I got, you guys. You guys got anything else?
That's all I got too.
There really isn't much
Yeah.
news. I know, like Sam Bankman-Fried is. I guess he's not guilty for whatever the fraud that he committed. There's that
Because
stuff.
he donated money to politicians to fucking get him out.
So there's that, and then there's I know Cardano. Um, there's a new like a stable coin. You know how like USDC is a stable coin for the Ethereum network? Because I'm using the Ethereum network for my USDC. So now Cardano has a stable coin for their network. So that's pretty cool.
I guess there's like just a little quick update on Star Atlas. It's getting a little bit more popular now,
Good.
like tiny bit. I'm starting to see a little rise in the community again.
I heard they were able to
Acquire a certain amount of funds.
yeah, they like over
Mhm.
2 million, $3 million in funds.
How much? How much do they need?
I forgot how much they lost, but they lost half of their revenue in that FTX thing. But they were able to raise $3 million.
That's great.
That's still good.
So now like they have their housing apartment sales. They have their machine sales, like you could buy space stations, power plants, mining drills, and all of that stuff.
All right, like apartments and other stuff.
Yeah. Hey Miguel, do you drive a lot? Do you do a lot of
Mm,
driving?
yes or no? Yeah.
Because I bought this miner where you get paid for driving.
Really?
Yeah, you get paid for driving.
Like
Your mate. It's called Hive Mapper, and I just got it like 3 days ago, or I got it while I
Yeah.
was in Thailand, but
you map. You're
I
pretty much
barely hooked it up
mapping.
3 days ago, and
Mhm.
you're helping create maps, decentralized maps to try to fuck over Google Maps.
Oh, I'm down. Fuck the system. I'm down.
So yeah, but thing is, I don't drive a lot anymore. I'm trying to save on gas.
I say this the only way to get around here is by fucking driving. Because nothing's close.
So I was actually thinking of installing it on one of the garbage trucks where I work at, because you know those guys are driving for like 10, 11 hours a day.
Yeah, don't you need consent for that?
Yeah.
Oh,
So like
You
if
already
it
need consent for everything.
so if I was doing it, I would have installed it myself. But thing is, like I might get a driver in trouble. So like, man,
sure.
yeah, I'm not trying to get somebody else in trouble. Like I'll get in trouble myself, you know. But yeah, that's pretty cool though. It's called Hive Mapper. I'm gonna do some more research on their token and stuff like that. Also, have you guys heard of Helium?
No, it's helium.
Helium. So it's another one where it's called we're decentralizing internet. So people are providing internet. So we're grabbing internet from like AT&T, from Xfinity, and we're providing it to the people. So we gotta buy this modem, and you provide internet to people, and the Hive mapper is using that internet to create maps, and you get paid in crypto for providing internet. So you're already paying for internet anyway, and then you have this modem to provide internet to people, and you get paid for that. So you get paid for providing internet. For
That's
internet
pretty
that
cool.
you're paying on AT&T.
Pretty much, you become like a little tower
Yeah.
for internet.
Mhm.
That's
cool.
I think you get, like, right now, I think you get paid like $1 a day or something, like 90 cents a day
Still not bad.
for providing.
Depending on what, like depending on users, or
I think so. I'm not entirely sure on Helium, but I know the modem thing costs like $400. So like, so right now, since we're in a bear market, you're making like $90 a day for providing internet. But then, like, once it goes back to the bull run, if everybody still like likes Helium, like the all-time high for Helium was $52.
Damn.
like $10 increment.
Yeah. So you'll be making, instead of $1 a day or whatever it is, you'll be making like a lot more. Like, I don't know the exact numbers, so I don't want to be giving a number like, oh, you'll be making $50 a day or whatever. I don't know the exact numbers.
Yeah.
I mean, well, yeah, because it is dependent on the users. I'm assuming it is depending on how many people are using your internet.
Yeah. So like right now, like the ones that are gonna be using it are the people that are using the cameras, the Hive mapper.
Right.
Those are gonna be like
Oh.
one of the main users for this internet, for the Helium.
Then I guess you could gauge how many users, and you could potentially get just
true.
based on the Hive mapper numbers.
Yeah, let me see
Nice.
if I can find here on
Makes sense.
CoinGecko. Right quick before we end the stream.
I just searched
Helium.
it up.
Here it is. It's 117
Oh, 280. I like that.
for the past 3 months. Yeah, so if you go to max, like it was like $53 at the max, and then we just did a massive crash. So there's like, I really don't know if this is a good project or not. Like, there's hardware out there to mine Helium, and then you got Hive Mapper, and then I know they did a merge with Solana, so it's in the Solana network now.
Helium.
Oh,
Helium, and the Hive Mapper. I think the tokens are called Honey tokens.
Mhm.
So they are in the Solana network now.
Damn.
So I haven't really looked too much into Helium. Like, I heard that a lot of people are hating it now because it doesn't have like they're saying it's gonna take like 6 years or something to get their money back from their miners that they bought, because everything crashed, right? So I don't know. I don't know too much about it. It's just like little research that I did. It seems really interesting, but the performance right now isn't there. So we'll see. We'll see.
yeah.
Alright, well, that's all I got. Y'all got any comments, concerns?
It was just a little update on Star Atlas. There, the community was, picking up a little bit.
I know
So it was
that.
pretty cool to see.
Yeah, I know the graphic novels. I still need to pick up episode 3 of the graphic novel. Have you been picking them up?
No, but I did get some skins.
Oh, you got some skins?
The 2 skins that come in when you have them placed for like 300 or like a year or so, like that.
Hey, Miguel, are you planning on getting into Starless, or are you still thinking about it? It's risky.
I'm still thinking on
It's
it.
risky, dude. It's so risky right now.
Gas is he's invested in cummies right now.
Cummies.
Yeah. That's investing a lot of my time. Just kidding.
It was good talks, man.
Well, I'm
Ah,
on the
yeah,
stream
man.
here,
Gotta
dude.
take it easy.
Alright, y'all.
See ya, man.
See ya.
Peace.
Peace.